Hi guys, you're watching AmsterdamVideo.com. Hey all, good morning. It's Thursday. A new work day is starting and yep, time for me to go work. So anyway, here's the intro. Well guys, skipping ahead to the end of the workday, and it's drizzling. We're back at the old crappy weather. The good weather we had yesterday, and even a bit this morning still, is at an end again. But anyway, the good thing is, the workday is over, so I'm heading back to HQ to little Miss Chibi. After I got her some dog food at Albert Heijn. No, you don't see that, you just see the bag. Anyway, yes, continuing. Chibi. Chibi.